Okay, another gauze garage restoration tip on the 70 Boss 302. This is a shaker hood car, so there's nothing wrong with those hoses. They were former yellow stripes, but the yellow stripe is worn off and gone, and the hoses are still good. So rather than buy them, and on these, you have to drop um, the glove box out of them to get to the core back behind the glove box, and that's a pain in the butt. So what you do is very simply where the shaker hood covers up, you don't have to worry about, but back there and up front, it's a $2.50 yellow paint pen. You stretch the tape on like so, and then you just very simply color it on with the yellow, and it's just a cheap, inexpensive way. And what it does is it makes it look stock, like it was in 1970. The hoses were yellow stripes, and there you have it. That's another thing I normally charge 19.95 for, but again, that one's on the house. There you go.